I am very happy with my Cool Area shade cloths. This is how each cloth comes packaged. We have a large garden that gets intense sun and it scorches our plants, and this is the perfect solution for lowering the sun's intensity and keeping our garden plants happy. The edges of these cloths are reinforced and have holes along the entire length for easier installation. And my husband and I used three of these shade cloths for our garden, and we snipped pieces of 18 gauge wire to fasten the shade cloths onto our garden fencing. We decided to install these covers to shade the south side and top of our garden. So we fastened the cloths to the garden fencing using the holes along the edges and using our 18 gauge wire like a twist tie. And the covers work beautifully to help shade our garden. Bungees or heavy duty clips would also work well to secure these cloths if that's what you choose to use. So, if you're looking for a lightweight, easy to install, and effective shade cloth for your garden, I 100% recommend these Cool Area shade cloths.